I like two kinds of spring rolls. They are pan-fried or a salad roll. We decided we were gonna have the pan-fried for our side dish. This is how I made it. Firstly, I cut the vegetables like cabbage, potato, and carrot into thin strips. And it is optional to put shrimp or any other meat. But today, our pan-fried spring roll is a vegetarian version. Then once that was all done, we placed it on very gently on the pan. Some vegetables need different cooking time because they are all different. You would know when they would be ready if they look golden brown or just crispy. Then sprinkle some salt when you are just about to finish cooking the vegetables. I had the taste test with the potato if they were ready or not. When all the vegetables were done cooking, we mixed them all together on the plate, so it would be all mixed together. Then here is where all the fun begins. We boiled some water in a bowl and get some cold water so it won't be as hot. Instead, it would be warm. My favorite part was when we dipped the rice paper in the warm water and we started folding it like a burrito. Get a good amount of the vegetables and put it on the rice paper. And then fold both side ends, then get the bottom piece and roll till you get to the end. Dab some water on your fingers to make it stick. Just like this. I'll show you once more. Depends how much filling you put in. They can come in all different sizes. But if you want to present it well for a picture, you can add the same amount for each. When we made a couple, we heated the pan medium-high and added oil to the pan. Then put the spring rolls. Pan fry both sides till golden brown. Once we were finished, you can have this as an appetizer or a side dish, like how we ate ours, with rice, meats, and kimchi on the side. The taste of our homemade spring roll was chewy on the outside and crunchy at the same time. It had all types of different textures, like soft potato, which was one of my favorite vegetables in there, and the slightly cooked crunchy carrot and cabbage were all well balanced. You can also add your favorite vegetables in there too. It was a good and simple dish. I recommend this for you and your friends. Thanks for watching. I like with the potato. Is this onion or potato? Or both? Potato.
먹어. 뭐?